At the back here, as you can see, we've got a little bit of a privacy shade here. In order to get this thing off, all we're going to do, pop it up. We're going to push through, pull out. And here we go. Right. As you can see here, this tray is removable, so we can pull it off. We can readjust it onto different levels here if we want. That's going to come in handy for a few reasons. Now all of a sudden, we've got some extra storage space underneath if we need it, but it's going to come in handy when we need to fold these seats down. Before we get into the seats though, let's look to see what's underneath. So from here, it's actually pulling in a little bit closer. There we go. All right, so in the back here, as you can see, we've got a little tab here. Lifting that tab up is going to show us a couple things. So the EcoSport actually doesn't have a spare tire. We've got an air compressor, and then we've got a little can of goop here, so if we need to seal up any tire punctures. Last one is going to be a little spigot, so if we ever need to use a jerry can in the vehicle, we would put this into the tank first, and then we would put the jerry can top into here.